Hello children, welcome to the GK session. Last week we talked about 24, 25 and 26 lesson. This week we will talk about 27, 28 and then test paper 1, 2 and 3. So we will start with page number 34, lesson number 27, safety on the road. Look at the given picture and tick the correct options. The light at the top is red. First light is given here, it is red. It stands for stop. Red light is stand for stop. Children, this is traffic light signal. Number 1 light is red. Number 2 is yellow and number 3 is green. Red, yellow and green. So first question, the light at the top is red. It stands for stop. Number 2, the light in the middle is yellow. It stands for get ready to stop or to go. So it is showing that you should ready for stop and also for go. Number 3, the light at the bottom is green. It stands for go. True or false? First number, we should run across the road as fast as we can. No, we should not. It is false. Number 2, we should ride our cycle down the middle of the road. No, it is also false. We should not ride our cycle middle of the road. We should ride in the two-wheeler riding place. We should stand in line while getting on a bus. True. Number 4, we should jump off a moving bus if we are getting late for school. Never. We should not jump off a moving bus. It is very risky. So it is false. 5 number, the person who controls the traffic is called a referee. No, false. It's called a traffic police. So it is also false. Now see here, we should always cross the road at a zebra crossing. Children, please remember this. Now number 28 lesson, telling the time. This lesson you have to put yourself. Write the time when you do this daily activity in the blank. So you have to write the timing when you do these things, which is written 1 to 8. Number 1, brush your teeth. Number 2 is take a bath. When you take a bath, you have to write the time. Have breakfast, have lunch, do homework, go out to play, watch cartoon shows, and last one, go to sleep. You have to write the timings when you do these works. Okay, now next, number 2, write the time shown on this clock. First clock, number 1 clock is showing 2 o'clock. You write this way. Number 2 is 6 o'clock and number 3 is 12 o'clock. Now move to the second test paper number 1. In which city is the Leaning Tower located? It is in Italy. Italy, Italy. What is a lion's home called? Den, Den. In which cartoon would you see Chutki? Chhota Bheem, Chota, Chota, Bheem, Bheem. Number 4, which is the fastest land animal? Cheetah, Cheetah. Number 5, what twinkles in the sky at night? Star, Star. Number 6, which is the tallest land animal in the world? Giraffe, Giraffe. Now, seventh number, which fairy tale character bit a poisoned apple? Snow White, Snow, Snow, White, White, Snow White. Number 8, who was the first vice president of India? S. Radhakrishnan. Full name is Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. So you have to write S. Radhakrishnan. Radhakrishnan. Number 9. Which sports is played with hooked stick? Hockey. 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 Number 10. What is the sound made by an elephant called? Trumpet. 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 Number 11. What is very colorful and can sometimes be seen after the rain? Rainbow. 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 Pendulum and cuckoo are different type of which device? It is clock. 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 So move to the test paper number 2. Take the correct options. Number 1. On which band of the national flag do we find the color saffron? It is top. Number 2. Which sports is played using an object made of feather called a shuttlecock? That is badminton. C. Badminton. 3 number. Which of this is largest in size? Answer is football. Football is the largest in size. A. 4. Which of this is the odd one out? Lion. Lion is odd. A option, because rest of the options are fruits. Orange, mango, banana. Number 5. Which of this is the home of a dog? Kennel. A number again. KENNEL. Kennel. Number 6. Which of this is used to travel in outer space? Rocket. B. Rocket is the right answer to travel in the outer space. Number 7. Which of this is a non-living thing? So book is the non-living thing. Number 8. Which object did Aladdin use to make the genie appear? That is lamp. Number 9. P.T. Usha is a famous sports person in which field? Athletics. Which of this is the opposite of rich? Poor. Which of this is the odd one out? Cap, because socks, shoes and slippers we wear in the lower portion of our body, that is leg, foot. Cap we wear in the head. So A, cap is odd one. Number 12. Which fairy tale is the film Frozen based? It is the Snow Queen. Now last test paper 3rd. What is the opposite of tall? Short. SHORT. Which animal make a chattering sound? Monkey. 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 Number 3. What melts and become water? Ice. ICE. Number 4. Krish is a character from which cartoon? That is answer is roll number 21. Number 5. Which color in the traffic signal stand for stop? That is red. RED, red. Number 6. The koala is from which continent? It is from Australia. AUSTRALIA. Number 7. In cricket, what is the person who guard the wicket called? Wicket keeper. Wicket spelling is written. You have to write KEEPER, keeper. Number 8. In which sports did Dhyan Chand represent India? Hockey. HOCKEY, hockey. Number 9. What is the home of a horse called? Stable. STABLE. Number 10. What is the opposite of smooth? Rough. ROUGH, rough. Number 11. In the moon. Is the moon a living or a non-living thing? Moon is, right now we know that, non-living thing. Number 12. What phrase did Ali Baba use to enter the thief's den? That is open shim. Open spelling is OPEN and then sim spelling is CESAME. So children, it is the end of the chapter and test paper. Write it in your notebook. Bye.